Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. నా క్లాస్ ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటున్నట్లయితే డెఫినెట్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ వి కంప్లీటెడ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డెఫినేషన్స్. అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్, అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ వెక్టర్స్, అంటే పర్పెండిక్యులర్ కండిషన్ ఏంటి, అండ్ యాంగిల్ బిట్వీన్ టూ వెక్టర్స్, టూ నాన్ జీరో వెక్టర్స్. Now in this class we will do exercise 5a section 1 problems. Now first section, first question, find the angle between the vectors I plus 2j plus 3k and 3i minus j plus 2k. So we have find the angle between two vectors. What is the first vector given? A is equals to I plus 2j plus 3k and b is equals to 3i minus j plus 2k. 3i minus j plus 2k. Find first modulus a. Mod a is equals to under root of, what is I coefficient? 1. So 1 square plus j coefficient 2 square plus k coefficient 3 square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So 1 square value 1 plus 2 square value 4 plus 3 square value 9. So under root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, root 14. Root 14. This is modulus A. Next find modulus B. Modulus B is equals to root over 3 square I coefficient plus j coefficient minus 1. So minus 1 square plus k coefficient 2 square. So 3 square value 9 minus 1 square value 1 plus 2 square value 4. So 9 plus 1 plus 4, root 14. Under root 14. This is modulus B. Modulus B. Now find A dot B. A dot B. Dot product. A dot B. What is A value? I plus 2j plus 3k dot into what is the B vector? 3i minus j plus 2k. 3i minus j plus 2k. Now do the dot product. So take the I coefficient into I coefficient. What is I coefficient? 1. Here I coefficient 3. So 1 into 3. Because I dot I is equals to 1. Okay na? Next plus j coefficient into j coefficient. 2 j here j coefficient 2, j coefficient minus 1, 2 into minus 1. Plus k coefficient 3, here k coefficient 2, 3 2s are. So 3 1s are 3, plus into minus 2, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. A dot B is equals to 7. A dot B is equals to 7. We have cos theta formula. What is the formula cos theta? Cos theta is equals to angle between two vectors A dot B by modulus A into modulus B. Cos theta is equals to modulus A dot B by modulus A into modulus B. Now substitute values, A dot B value, mod A value, mod B value. So cos theta is equals to, what is A dot B value? 7. 7 by mod A value root 14. Root 14 into mod B value, that also root 14. Root 14. Root 14 into root 14, root 14 square. So we will get 7 only. 7 by root 14 square. So square and root will get cancelled. So we will get 7 by 14. Cos theta is equals to 7 by 14. 7 by 14 and do cancellation if possible. 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So this value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Sorry. 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 lo cos A angle kostundaki cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees. Because cos 60 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore angle between two vectors is 60 degrees. Therefore angle between A and B is 60 degrees. Angle between two vectors A and B is 60 degrees. Okay na? Now second one. These are very important 2 marks questions. If first be told if the vectors 2i plus lambda j minus k and 4i minus 2j plus 2k are perpendicular to each other, find lambda. So given two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So we know perpendicular condition. First take let a is equals first vector, a is equals to 2i plus lambda j minus k, and b is equals second vector 4i minus 2j plus 2k. Here given two vectors are perpendicular. Given two vectors are perpendicular. Two vectors are perpendicular. Therefore, what is the condition? When two vectors are perpendicular to each other, if a dot b is equals 0, dot product is equals to 0, a dot b is equals to 0. This is the condition, perpendicular condition. A dot b is equals to 0. So what is a value? 2i plus lambda j minus k dot b value 4i minus 2j plus 2k is equals to 0. Now do the dot product. LSM dot product, I coefficient into I coefficient plus j coefficient into j coefficient. What is I coefficient? 2. 2 into 4 plus j coefficient lambda into j coefficient minus 2 plus k coefficient minus 1, k coefficient 2 is equals to 0. So 2 4s are 8, plus into minus 2 lambda plus into minus 2 is equals to 0. 8 minus 2 6, and 6 minus 2 lambda is equals to 0. Minus 2 lambda is equals to minus 6, and 6 right side send chestuna, plus 6 becomes minus 6. So both sides minus and minus will get cancelled. Lambda is equals to 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore lambda is equals to 3. Lambda value is equals to 3. This is a solution. Very important 2 marks question. In the question given perpendicular to each other, therefore we have to apply perpendicular condition. A dot b is equals to 0. Now third question. For what values of lambda the vectors I minus lambda j plus 2k and 8i plus 6j minus k are at right angles? So given two vectors are at right angles. So we have to find the value of lambda. For what value of lambda two vectors are at right angles? Ante two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So take the perpendicular condition. Let us say first vector. What is the first vector? A is equals to I minus lambda j plus 2k. I minus lambda j plus 2k. And vector b is equals to 8i plus 6j minus k. 8i plus 6j minus k. So what are the given two vectors are at right angles? So given vectors are perpendicular. Given vectors are right angle is perpendicular to each other. Therefore, what is the perpendicular condition? A dot b is equals to 0. What is a value substitute here? I minus lambda j plus 2k. I minus lambda j plus 2k dot. What is the b value? 8i plus 6j minus k is equals to 0. 8i plus 6j minus k equals 0. Do the dot product. I coefficient into I coefficient. Here I coefficient is 1. Here I coefficient is 8. So 1 into 8 plus j coefficient minus lambda. Here j coefficient 6 plus k coefficient 2 into k coefficient minus 1 is equals to 0. So 1 into 8 8 plus into minus 6 into lambda 6 lambda plus into minus 2 is equals to 0. 8 minus 2 is equals 6. 6 minus 6 lambda is equals to 0. This 6 right side send cheskondi minus 6 avutundi. Minus 6 lambda is equals to minus 6. So on both sides minus and minus gets cancelled. Lambda is equals to 6 by 6. So 6 ones are 6 ones are, and lambda is equals to 1. 1 by 1 is 1. So for lambda equals to 1, these two vectors are perpendicular. For lambda equals to 1, these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. This is the solution of third one. Now see the fourth one. A is equals to 2i minus j plus k, and b is equals to I minus 3j minus 5k. Find the vector c such that a, b and c form the sides of a triangle. Here a, b, c are the sides of a triangle. First take a vector a. A is equals to what given? 2i minus j plus k. Take vector b is equals to I minus 3j minus 5k. So we don't know vector c. We have to find vector c. Suppose take this as triangle ABC. Take this as triangle ABC. A, B, C. So let us take AB is equals to vector A, BC is equal to vector B, AC is equals to, this is, take this as vector A, this as vector B, this as vector C. Okay now? Suppose these are sides. A, B, C are the sides given. See this, because I joined AB plus BC side means, what is BC? BC means small a. So AB means small c. AB plus BC plus CA is equals to, how can you write? AB is equals to position vector OB minus OA plus BC means OC minus OB plus CA means OA minus OC. OA minus OC. See, OA minus OC. OA minus OC. See here, minus OA plus OA gets cancelled. Minus OC plus OC gets cancelled. OB minus OB gets cancelled. And then to sum 0. And the sum of all sides is equals to 0. Sum of all sides is equals to 0. So here the same. So sides are A, B, C. Therefore, we have to take for any triangle sum of all sides is equal to 0. Therefore, in any triangle, sum of all sides. What are the sides? A plus B plus C is equals to 0. So we know A value and B value. We don't know C value. So send A and B right side. So C is equals to becomes minus A minus B. C is equals to minus A minus B. Now substitute vector A value here. Minus of A value 2i minus j plus k. 2i minus j plus k, and minus b. Minus b is equals to substitute value b value minus b value I minus 3j minus 5k. I minus 3j minus 5k. So multiply with minus 2i minus into minus plus j minus into plus minus k minus into plus minus I minus into minus plus 3j minus into minus plus 5k minus 2i minus I minus 3i j plus 3j plus 4j minus k plus 5k plus 4k. This is a vector C. Vector C is equals to minus 3i plus 4j plus 4k. This is the solution of fourth question. Now fifth question. Find the angle between the planes r dot 2i minus j plus 2k is equals 3 and r dot 3i plus 6j plus k is equals to 4. Here given two planes. It is in the form of r dot n1 is equals to d1. First plane. Second plane in the form of r dot n2 is equals to d2. R dot n2 is equals to d2. So angle between two planes nothing but angle between two normals. Normals means n1 and n2. So first take what is n1? N1 is equals to 2i minus j plus 2k. What is n2? N2 is equals to, from second plane, 3i plus 6j plus k. N1 is equals to 2i minus j plus 2k. N2 is equals to 3i plus 6j plus k. Now find modulus n1 n2. Modulus n1 find. Modulus n1 is equals to 2 square I coefficient 2. 2 square plus j coefficient -1 square plus k coefficient 2 square. 2 square value 4 plus -1 square is equals to 1 plus 2 square value 4. 4 plus 1 plus 4 9 root 9. Root 9 is equals to 3. Root 9 is equals to 3. This is modulus n1. Now find modulus n2. Modulus n2 is equals to I coefficient 3 square plus j coefficient 6 square plus k coefficient 1 square. 3 square value 9, 6 square 36 plus 1 square 1 under root. So what is the value? 10 46 under root 46. This is n2 value. n2 is equals to under root 46. Modulus n1 is equals to root 46. Sorry, modulus n1 is equals to 3. Modulus n2 is equals to root 46. Now we find n1 dot n2. n1 dot n2. What is n1? 2i minus j plus 2k. 2i minus j plus 2k dot n2 value 3i plus 6j plus k. Take the coefficient of I coefficient and I coefficient. So here 2 into I coefficient 3 plus j coefficient -1 into j coefficient 6 plus k coefficient 2 into 1 is equals to 2 3s are 6 plus into -6 plus 2 1s are 2. So plus 2 minus 6 minus 6 cancel, remaining 2. So n1 dot n2 is equals to 2. Now we have to find cos theta. Let theta be the angle between two planes. Let theta be the angle between two planes. Let theta be the angle between two planes. Two planes. So what is the cos theta formula? Cos theta is equals to n1 dot n2 by cos theta is equals to n1 dot n2 by modulus n1 into modulus n2. Modulus n1 into modulus n2. Now substitute values. Cos theta is equals to, what is n1 dot n2 value? 2. 2 by modulus n1 value 3. 3 modulus n2 value under root of 46. Under root 46. So we can write this as 46 రాసుకోవచ్చు 2 by, we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2, no problem. This is cos theta. Cos theta is equals to 2 by 3 root 46. Theta is equals to, cos right hand intersect, it becomes cos inverse of 2 by 3 root 46. Cos inverse of 2 by 3 root 46. Then inka simplify kuda chesukochu manam. So cos inverse of, we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2 into root 2 by 3 into, we can write root 46 as 23 twos are. So we can write root 2 into root 23. Root 46 as root 2 into root 23. So root 2 will get cancelled. So remaining cos inverse of root 2 by 2 root 23. Sorry, root 2 by 3 root 23. This is a angle between two planes. Theta is equals to cos inverse of root 2 by 3 root 23. Now sixth question. Let E1 and E2 be unit vectors making angle theta. If 1 by 2 modulus E1 minus E2 is equals to sin lambda t, then find lambda. So what is given? E1 comma E2 are unit vectors. Given E1 comma E2 are unit vectors. Unit vectors means magnitude is 1. Magnitude is modulus. Therefore modulus E1 is equals to 1. Modulus E1 is equals to 1 and modulus E2 is equals to 1, because given unit vectors E1 and E2 are unit vectors, and what is given 1 by 2, given condition 1 by 2, 1 by 2 modulus E1 minus E2 is equals to sin lambda t, lambda theta, sin lambda theta. No, so squaring on both the sides, squaring on both the sides. Now do squaring on both the sides, squaring on both the sides, squaring on both sides. So 1 by 2 modulus E1 minus E2 whole square is equals to sin square lambda theta, sin square lambda theta. So 2 square is equals to 4, so it becomes 1 by 4 modulus E1 minus E2 whole square is equals to sin square lambda theta, sin square lambda theta. So in the previous class we have seen a square is equals to modulus a square, a square is equals to modulus a square, అంటే కండిషన్ యూజ్ చేసాం అక్కడ, అంటే డిరైవ్ చేసాం a square is equals to modulus a square. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ a square, a square ఫామ్ లో ఉంది, అంటే దేనిలో రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం, modulus a square ఫామ్ లో ఉంది, a square రాయొచ్చు. సో 1 by 4 a square ఫామ్ లో రాస్తున్నా, 1 by 4 E1 minus E2 whole square is equals to sin square lambda theta, sin square lambda theta. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula. So what is a minus b whole square formula? A square E1 square plus b square E2 square minus 2 E1 E1 E2 అంటే ఇక్కడ డాట్ తీసుకోవాలి, అంటే డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ కదా, a dot b and ab అంటే a dot b రాయాలి. 2 E1 dot E2 is equals to sin square lambda theta, lambda theta. అంటే E1 స్క్వేర్ a స్క్వేర్ ఉంటే mod a స్క్వేర్ రాయొచ్చు, అంటే E1 స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని mod E1 స్క్వేర్ రాస్తాం, ఎందుకంటే we know mod E1 వాల్యూ. సో mod E1 whole square plus mod E2 whole square minus, so a dot b, we know one condition, a dot b definition, a dot b is equals to mod a mod b cos theta, mod a mod b cos theta, we know this formula. So apply here, a dot b is equals to mod a mod b cos theta, అంటే ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉంది a dot b అనేది, ఈ ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయండి. a అంటే ఏంటి E1, b అంటే E2, అంటే ఏం రాయాలి, modulus E1 modulus E2 cos theta is equals to sin square lambda theta, sin square lambda theta. Now substitute value, what is modulus E1 value? 1, modulus E2 value 1, ఇక్కడ substitute చేయండి. So 1 by 4 into modulus E1 అంటే 1 కదా, 1 square plus modulus E2 value also 1 square minus 2 modulus E1 value 1, modulus E2 value 1, modulus E1 ఉంది, E2 ఉంది కదా, this value also equals to 1, this value also equals to 1 into cos theta is equals to sin square lambda theta, sin square lambda theta. So 1 square value 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 minus 2 cos theta, 2 ones are 1, 2 cos theta is equals to sin square lambda theta. So 1 plus 1 2, so 1 by 4, 2 plus 2 cos theta is equals to sin square lambda theta, sin square lambda theta. So take out 2 common తీయండి. So remaining వస్తుంది 2 by 4, remaining ఏంటి 1 plus minus 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta is equals to sin square lambda theta, sin square lambda theta. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we know this formula, 1 minus cos theta is equals to 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 sin square theta by 2. This is the formula. 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. అంటే దీని ప్లేస్ లో ఇది రాయండి. సో 1 by 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకి 1 by 2 into 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 is equals to RHS sin square lambda theta. Sin square lambda theta. So here 2 gets cancelled. Remaining what? Sin square theta by 2 is equals to sin square lambda theta. Sin square lambda theta. So compare on both sides. What is the theta value here? Sin square and sin square same undi kada. Remain theta by 2 and lambda t should be equal. Therefore theta by 2 is equals to lambda theta. Lambda theta. Theta gets cancelled. What is the remaining? Lambda is equals to 1 by 2. Lambda is equals to 1 by 2. So this is the solution of 6th question. Now 7th question. Let A is equals to I plus j plus k and B is equals to 2i plus 3j plus k. Find the projection vector of B on A and its magnitude. So what is given A? A is equals to given I plus j plus k and B is equals to 2i plus 3j plus k. 2i plus 3j plus k. So first find A dot B. A dot B. A dot B. A dot B is equals to I plus j plus k dot B value 2i plus 3j plus k. 2i plus 3j plus k. Take the coefficient only. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 1. So 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3 plus 1 1s are 1. 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6. This is A dot B. A dot B is equals to 6. Okay, na? Now find mod A square. Modulus A square mod A. Mod A is equals to under root of I coefficient 1, 1 square plus j coefficient 1, 1 square plus k coefficient 1, 1 square is equals to 1 square value 1, 1 square 1 plus 1 square 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So this is modulus A is equals to root 3. Modulus A is equals to root 3. What is first one? What we have to find? The projection vector of B on A. The projection vector of B on A is equals to. So we know already in the previous class part 1 what is projection vector. So what is the projection vector of B on A? A dot B by, we have formula mod A square into dot A into A. A dot B by modulus A square into A. This is the projection vector of B on A. Now substitute values. What is A dot B value? 6. 6A by modulus A value root 3. So root 3 square into what is A value? A value again a vector A, I plus j plus k. I plus j plus k. So here square and root will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 6 by 3 into I plus j plus k. 6 by 3 into I plus j plus k. So 3 ones are 3 2s are. So is equals to 2 into I plus j plus k. This is the projection vector of B on A. Projection vector of B and A. Now we find the magnitude. Magnitude is equals to what is the magnitude formula? Modulus A dot B by modulus A. Modulus A dot B by modulus A. What is the A dot B? A dot B is equals to 6. So 6 by modulus A value root 3. 6 by root 3. So we can write this as 6 and manam 2 3s are 6 by root 3. Again we can write 3 as root 3 into root 3. 2 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. So what is the magnitude? 2 root 3. 2 root 3. So this is a projection vector of B on A and its magnitude. Magnitude is equals to modulus A dot B by modulus A is equals to 2 root 3. Now second one, the vector components of B in the direction of A and perpendicular to A. We have formula component of B in the direction of A. Component of B in the direction of A is equals to in the direction of A is equals to, so we have formula. What is the formula? A dot B by mod A square into A dot A. This is a component of B in the direction of A. In the direction of A means parallel to A. So the A dot B by mod A square into A. Already మన ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో కూడా ప్రొజెక్షన్ వెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ B అనే ఇదే వాల్యూ కదా, సేమ్ A dot B by mod A square into A. ఆల్రెడీ దాని వాల్యూ ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకి 2 into I plus J plus K. So substitute here, total value is 2 into I plus J plus K. This is a projection vector of B in the direction of A. So next, perpendicular to A, projection component of B, sorry, component, projection vector కాదు, component of B perpendicular to A is equals to perpendicular to A is equals to B minus, so parallel to A ante parallel to A in the or in the direction of A ante A dot B by mod A square into A. So perpendicular to A is equals to formula, this is formula B minus A dot B by modulus A square into A, modulus A square into A. So what is B value? Substitute B value. B value is equals to 2I plus 3J plus K. 2I plus 3J plus K minus, what is this value? A dot B by mod A square into A, 2 into I, 2I plus 2 into J, 2J plus 2 into K, 2K. So multiply with minus 2I plus 3J plus K minus 2I minus 2J minus 2K. Now do add like terms possible. 2I cancel, plus 2I minus 2 gets cancelled. 3J minus 2J J. K minus 2K minus K. J minus K. This is a component of B perpendicular to A is equals to J, vector component of B perpendicular to A is equals to J minus K. Now 8th question. Find the equation of the plane through the point 3 minus 2 1 and perpendicular to the vector 4 7 minus 4. So we find the equation of the plane which is passing through 3 minus 2 1 and perpendicular to the vector 4 7 minus 4. So we have one important formula. Vector equation of the plane passing through the point A of A and perpendicular to the vector n is r minus a dot n is equals 0. R minus a dot n is equals to 0. So this equation is passing through 3 minus 2 1. Take that as a point. Let us take vector A is equals to, write in the vector form. So this is a I coefficient, J coefficient, K coefficient. So 3 into I, 3I minus 2J plus 1 into K. This is vector A. And perpendicular to the vector 4 7 minus 4. Take this as n. So n is equals to 4I plus 7J minus 4K. 4I plus 7J minus 4K. What is the required equation of plane? This is the required equation of plane. R minus a dot n is equals 0. So required equation of plane is R minus a dot n is equals to 0. R minus a dot n is equals to 0. So take the dot product. R dot n minus a dot n a dot n is equals to 0. అంటే a తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. మల్టిప్లై అంటే ఇక్కడ హియర్ డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ r dot n minus a dot n is equals to 0. So send a dot n right side. R dot n is equals to a dot n. R dot n is equals to a dot n. Now substitute the values, n value and a value. So r dot, what is the n value? 4i plus 7j minus 4k. Minus 4k is equals to, what is a value? 3i minus 2j plus k dot n value 4i plus 7j minus 4k. 4i plus 7j minus 4k. Here do the dot product. I coefficient into I coefficient. 3 into 4 plus j coefficient minus 2. Minus 2 into here 7 plus k coefficient 1. 1 into minus 4. So 3 4s are 12 plus into minus minus 7 2s are 14 plus into minus minus 4 1s are 4. 12 minus 14 minus 4 minus 18. Minus 18. 12 minus 18 is equals to minus 6. So r dot 4i plus 7j minus 4k is equals to minus 6. So this is a required equation of plane. This is a required equation of plane which is passing through 3 minus 2 1 and perpendicular to the vector 4 7 minus 4. Now ninth question. If a is equals to 2i plus 2j minus 3k, b is equals to 3i minus j plus 2k, then find the angle between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. So we have find the angle between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. So what is given vector a? A is equals to 2i plus 2j minus 3k, and what is vector b? B is equals to 3i minus j plus 2k. 3i minus j plus 2k. We have to find the angle between 2a plus b, and ఇది ఒక వెక్టర్ అనుకోవాలి, and a plus 2b ఇది ఒక వెక్టర్. ఓకేనా? Suppose find first find 2a plus b. 2a plus b is equals to 2 into what is the vector a? 2i plus 2j minus 3k plus b. B is equals to 3i minus j plus 2k. So multiply with 2. 2 to the 4i, 2 to the 4j, 2 3 is 6 minus 6k plus 3i minus j plus 2k. 3i minus j plus 2k. Add like terms. 4i plus 3i 7i. 7i. 4j minus j plus 3j. 3j minus 6k plus 2k minus 4k. This is 2a plus b. 2a plus b. 2a plus b is equals to 7i plus 3j minus 4k. Next find a plus 2b. A plus 2b. A plus 2b. What is the vector a? 2i plus 2j minus 3k plus 2 into vector b 3i minus j plus 2k. 3i minus j plus 2k. So 2i plus 2j minus 3k multiply with 2. 2 3 is 6i minus 2j plus 2 is 4k. Now add like terms. 2i plus 6i 8i. 8i. 2j minus 2j will get cancelled. Minus 3k plus 4k plus k plus k. This is a plus 2b. A plus 2b. And now we have to find the angle between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Let us take, let's see, let alpha is equals to first vector. Let alpha is equals to a plus b. 2a plus b. Alpha is equals to 2a plus b. So what is the 2a plus b value? 7i plus 3j minus 4k. 7i plus 3j minus 4k. And let beta is equals to second vector. What is the second vector? A plus 2b. A plus 2b is equals to 8i plus k. 8i plus k. Now find modulus alpha, modulus beta. అంటే modulus alpha అంటే modulus 2a plus b. Modulus beta అంటే modulus a plus 2b. So find modulus alpha is equals to modulus 2a plus b. What is the modulus alpha value? What is the alpha value? 7i plus 3j minus 4k. ఈ total value in alpha అనుకుంటున్నాం, ఒక వెక్టర్ అనుకుంటాం. That vector is alpha. 2a plus మెన్షన్ ఏమంటే alpha is equals to ఏంటి? 7i plus 3j minus 4k. అంటే what is the modulus? I coefficient 7 square plus j coefficient 3 square plus k coefficient minus 4 square is equals to 7 square 49 plus 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. 4 square 16. So what is the value? 49 plus 9 58 68 74 under root 74. This is under root 74. Modulus alpha is equals to under root 74. Let's find modulus beta. Modulus beta means modulus a plus 2b. So modulus beta is equals to under root of, what is beta value? I coefficient 8 square plus j coefficient, we don't have j term, so take that as 0 square also equals 0 only. K coefficient 1, so take 1 square. So 8 square 64 plus 1 square 1, 64 plus 1 65 under root. This is modulus beta. Next take alpha dot beta. What is alpha? Alpha ante 2a plus b. So 7i plus 3j minus 4k. 7i plus 3j minus 4k dot beta value 8i plus k. So do the dot product, I coefficient into I coefficient. What is I coefficient? 7. Here 8. 7 8s are. J coefficient, here we have j coefficient 3 plus here we don't have j term, so take that as 0 plus k coefficient minus 4. Here k coefficient 1. 7 8s are 56 plus 3 into 0 0 plus into minus 4 1s are 4. 56 minus 4 is equals to 52. This is alpha dot beta. Now we find the angle between alpha and beta. Alpha means what? 2a plus b. Beta means a plus 2b. So what is the formula? Cos theta formula. Cos theta is equals to, ఇక్కడ alpha ఇస్తున్నాం మనం, alpha dot beta by modulus alpha into modulus beta. Now substitute values. What is the alpha dot beta value? 52 is equals to 52 by modulus alpha value 74 under root 74 into modulus beta value 65 under root 65. This is cos theta. So take theta is equals to cos inverse of 52 by under root 74 into 65. This is the angle between 2a plus b and a plus 2b. Therefore angle between angle between 2a plus b and a plus 2b is cos inverse 52 by under root 74 into 65. This is the solution of 9th question.